Once upon a time in the bustling city of Medina, during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, there lived a poor man named Amir. Amir was known for his gentle nature and unwavering faith, despite his humble circumstances. He made a modest living by gathering firewood from the outskirts of the city and selling it in the marketplace. One day, as Amir was walking home after a long day of work, he noticed an elderly woman struggling to carry a heavy bundle of goods. Without hesitation, he rushed to her aid, offering to carry the burden for her. The woman, grateful for the assistance, thanked Amir and asked him why he had helped her when he himself seemed to be in need. Amir smiled and replied, "It is part of our faith to help others in need, as the Prophet Muhammad taught us." He said, "The best among you are those who bring the most benefit to others." The elderly woman was touched by Amir's kindness and sincerity. She offered him a small reward, but Amir politely declined, saying that his reward would come from Allah. The woman insisted, however, and handed him a small pouch of coins, urging him to accept it as a token of her gratitude. As Amir reached home, he opened the pouch and found not only coins but also a beautiful note with a Quranic verse written on it, "And whoever saves one life, it is as if he had saved all of mankind." Quran Surah 5 verse 32. Deeply moved, Amir thanked Allah for the opportunity to help another and for the unexpected gift. The next day, Amir used the coins to buy food for his family and shared some with his neighbors who were also in need. His act of kindness quickly spread through the community, inspiring others to help and support one another. The story of Amir and the elderly woman soon reached the ears of the Prophet Muhammad, who praised Amir's actions and reminded the community of the importance of kindness, charity, and helping those in need. From that day forward, Amir continued to live his life with kindness and humility, knowing that even the smallest act of goodness could have a profound impact on others. His story became a beloved tale in Medina, reminding everyone that true wealth lies not in possessions, but in the goodness of one's heart and actions. Moral: the story of Amir teaches us the importance of kindness, generosity, and selflessness. It reminds us that small acts of compassion can make a big difference and that true reward comes from Allah for those who help others. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for such interesting Islamic stories.